Hi, today in front of me Doogee T20 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the app and in the search bar enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So then tap to open the app, click yes I agree, tap to close, to OK, and we can see here information about our battery health. So in my case the battery is in good condition, and here we got more information like the battery health level, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.